The Alienware Aurora R16 Gaming desktop is equipped with an Intel Ultra 9 285K processor, boasting up to 5.7 GHz, making it a powerhouse for gaming, multitasking, and streaming. It features the NVIDIA GeForce RTX 5080 graphics card with 16 GB of GDDR7 memory, providing exceptional performance for high-end gaming and creative tasks. With up to 64 GB of DDR5 RAM and a potential for 8 TB of PCIe SSD storage, this desktop is built to handle large games and intensive applications effortlessly. The advanced AlienFX liquid cooling system and a 240mm heat exchanger ensure efficient cooling, allowing for quieter and smoother operation. Pre-installed with Windows 11 Pro, it enhances productivity and provides a seamless user experience for both gaming and professional tasks. The desktop includes extensive connectivity options with multiple USB ports and Wi-Fi 7, ensuring you stay connected with high-speed internet and peripherals.